megalayapost.news.
Menteri Katanat Community and Rural Development UET Mandal mentakasngi kumukungsan ulalik ban pri pajba ya kawe kayo balatip kum traditional market hak snong lum dai kla berembong kabri kawe na kayo balasna da ka sarkar ban kentiu ya kayo kot kinong syong dukan badru bakinyo e kata ka jaka ka bapaka hak kam khai pateng kabri lengba ka jing syong dukan lasim bentalang ru hakani kasngi da ba el hek menteri ka sarkar jela kum usambut kungsan balasaki lang ru da ka jing don lang UMLA kamroi ba daman baik lamere MDC kamroi ba isnehing ka video ka bohirbong sinari blog ka Dr. Ar Talang urang ba snong galum dai kla ba ST rempe ki officer kinong ilam snong bat ki pai ba no snong ka te than kane ka traditional market lani ka yodi lang ka don hadu ndrip li ki kamera ban syong dukan bat balate ya kane ka traditional market leng ba jingmang tengka da ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs hak jinglot ka balkot San Klur
lagi ada kata-kata banginyo magkanero kadai bangilak nanti nado menung lak nanti lalu kan po kata kesni banginyo no ban play ban penon kam ya kene ke traditional market bakadon hasnda kongi kongi boro kene kawai kadai kacung ebok edau ya kasnong lu kai brokoi ya kumba konspirasi brokoi bagi garib hoy bingi brokoi hoy na kerman stemro bagane kayo ada dengan ada pleasant menta ada katukan empor bagan long ro kayo kabayat ba kabayat nanti pada hoy kasni kaniyo ro ka best market sagane garib hoy ka garib hoy ka jongi ano ye pi gane ka traditional market kali kayo inflation mentaro mimong rekadai tangjong kali kot presene ka dero kayo jong kari boy bingi horokowe dengan kerman skemo kali kayo kadai ka khai pateng kamdere banlong kerman skem kamdere banlong tang para mengi gikwa iro bagi briu na bar jala lare bana bar jong kali kari ke jong iro kinwan ngawai na kami kasih ban khai lele ban khai ikimar kitia kitar ki jong ki baka kiblo kerelo ya baro kini kitang song yo baka noro ya ki kaba da ro pinrung ya kini ki yo bandei ta kitia kitar ni kimar ki jong ki kinong ki ba da ebok kinanga susu ban kamai khamba susu ban hero kawero kaperlong ba kabiki tenat namar ba mas play gini kayo bisa ekren pa di romba snong baket isi jo kren snong londat kla alin mala de play kate kayo kumalan kate kayo kumalin kapadon ro at hamlong tenat makan hamlong kulod ro namar ba sanirong na yakan liyo at pendong kami gani kayo dengan gani kapor na kibok kileng ro ya kasong lunday ka bagaway kanong takaway ba or hilapan lakwa lapan hilayo kamata sisundan video akan play the honorable minister Gijongi the Bajala Meghalaya Gijongi Minister A.T. Mandal Minister Alexander Laluhek the gade pat kamram the darbar snong ban play ban sumar ban pengkhod ban suba amano yepi kungi kijat jinghal ni ki development ni nabi apostil hai dengan lar ban sumar ban pe ban suker ki tas karno kan lip karung kan rinno jahata pat ngajinjar pat banwat ye ka phone dan ni kacingera pan tuliat pan dengan kerman kami romasno tulan karlang ka jopi ban ka isi ka jopi ba pe pa sumar bhai kani kayo banang lewus nemro kanang kiu ab khai paten banang lewus nemro kanang bha kanang yer lagi por ini ke strong kita bagi om barang na bidot jaka il warna Ya kasihan nanti na po travel ministry na Delhi, nakabenta ka jerukkan jo gusto mo jopi. Barang yung to kopian. Tinga la lek karaka me barang may la kedoi nga di kong jaka, jong kate jaka kemudian hangte po jong ikong teleskop sedap. Ningkong ya pet ya kate jaka bensna ya tadi ke traditional market. Hadir pada balai kendu pada Islam berapa Islam kinukit kam juga Islam yang ingidan ke jaka ke bahe jong Islam beli bisna hangle hapo jong ke jaka juga Islam. Tengok ketali lagi berbahapa lah. Bagaimana bersnah ada jaka jong Islam. Dan kepada kejiman toy jong Islam pada konsulsi para kowe. Tengok lagi kerpat ya minister juga minister akan kepor beli pelok dengan Delhi. Gilong bagi ke jaka gerak rosan jaka jong Islam kepala menjulang di paipa pilong Islam bisa ya kali ke traditional market. Bagi lawan rak ya kali ke traditional market ha kali ke madan. Kepala ai subha pakai trelang dan kepada kejiman toy jong Islam bagi nong Islam hi jong kali ke lom dai khala. Kamai ka hak dapat bau ya kita ke start jadi longsor mansura ke jogi. Bagi ini ikut kepada tim biar terbaik bagi berkebaya kahok. Dan ibu kepada bar tip yang dijulang juman jungi. Kat no lele mengi kepada kitrai juga dikejaga ke mulut kalau mengi misal misal. Jadi dia kata ni aku dulu ya ke finance minister ke Nirmala Sitharaman kepala perkembangan yang dijulang juman dia jungi. Bagi ini ikut kepada tim biar terbaik bagi ikut kepada berkebaya kahok lajong. Kini kepentingan yang ayah biru bagi gila warna dan kata ketumai dijungi bagi long ikut kita tiba-tiba itu lain. Tinggal itu ni sesi ni piparo kelom lang piparo anusim dan ikapor nomor pa i adorban minister dan dan sekian di program balik tinggal ngep pengakit bokru kaya kini kejaka pagaligas kilador sekian sports complex ang ni ke airport ang ni kiwe-kiwe di traditional market ang ni batang akan noski bergantungan impor tan sisna ban asnya wanong ipi. Bagini gusto ko jobi kade kahat pening hops. Na kepada kejuman toy bakal bijulu ke jogopor men create yang employment. On the employment you will be employability. When I come you give part. Not only for your employment, you will be creating the employability for giving job for others. Kani kade ke kam no mamabi begitu ya kani ke market dan pada kejuman toy jobi.
With immense pleasure to mark a significant milestone in the development of this successful completion and inauguration of this traditional market at Hoylombo. As Bahak has told that how he has won and got this program, it is sanctioned by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the administrative approval was granted on 3rd April 2020 and then tender process was initiated by DRDA Mongpo. But the thing is that any major project always encountered in legal complications. So a case has been filed in the Honorable Meghalaya High Court. But whatever the High Court ruling has been given, that has been incorporated. And these legal challenges were met with. And ultimately, the tender process was completed, awarding the work to Dhar Construction. Today, Maneklan was supposed to come, but he could not come due to some other thing. I would like to thank him also because he took initiative to complete this project as early as possible, though it is completed as per report on 22nd August 2024, but we took some time to inaugurate it because of some other program. The complex is having around 66 stores. And all are group. Usually what happens in local market or daily market, you see it in the open market, you got to fight out with the rain, you got to fight out with the dust, sun and everything. Today we are having a complex where we know that designated shops are there, the designated stalls are there, and it is very organizedly made and it will be able to put the products in safe storage and easier transaction for the buyers and also the sellers. This would be a milestone for the entire locality to have an opportunity to engage themselves into business activities. Our Honorable Chief Minister's vision is that Meghalaya should have $10 billion economy. And he's working day and night to see that the state achieve this $10 billion economy. Now, Meghalaya is basically living into the villages. Unless the villages economy are improved, Meghalaya will never be able to get and achieve this $10 billion economy. He wants that business should be having the opportunity that the traders can do their business at ease. And that's how he is pumping a lot of money to the rural areas to uplift the economy of rural areas. Even through CNRD department, we are engaged day and night to see that the benefits reach to the poorest masses of the country so that their economy is improved. We are having self-help group, which was at the onset of MDA government in 2018. Only 5,000 self-help groups are there. Today I can tell you that we are having around 52,000 self-help groups. We have lots of Lakhpati Didis today. Lakhpati Didis means the cons who will have minimum 1 lakh money into their account. Last January on 10th and 11th we had a cabinet retreat in Sora, where our Honorable Chief Minister has directed us that no more Lakhpati Didis or Lakhpati cons. They should be millionaire, they should have minimum 10 lakhs into their account, and we are working on that. We are supporting the self-help groups to have some entrepreneurship development so that they can produce the agriculture products and get the finished product. Earlier, our products were not attractive to the people because of the competition that received from the corporate world. For example, the Lakatun turmeric, that was very good. Everybody understood and everybody bought, whoever came to Shillong from different parts of the country. But the thing is that it was openly sold in the market. But after the intervention of the government, giving the financial support for the various small-scale industries, the packaging facilities, now Lakatun turmeric became a big hit in the country and also being sold on online markets also through Amazon, Flipkart, and like of this. So having said that this is bringing more business opportunity for our rural masses, and their livelihood is being changed like anything. So today, by inaugurating this traditional market, I do also hope that this will be a biggest selling point for all the local communities that is produced agriculturally or horticulturally, or also the finished products. When I came this side, I have seen a lot of ginger is being dried on the roadside. So this could be appropriate here and can be sold to the local entrepreneurs or also from the entrepreneurs from outside to get a better price and thereby improve the economy. I do hope that today with this inauguration, the market will belong to you. This will be your market. Our government has constructed, but with the hope that this public money remains with the public. The market, how you will utilize it will depend on that. And I do hope that all buyers will get an opportunity to come and directly interact with the sellers in this market. And the young ones will be inspired to have a better prospect as far the business opportunity is concerned. And so also they will inspire others to also come. It is becoming very difficult for the government to provide government job. Government job is almost exhausted. Competition is too high. It is the alternative market that we are creating, and that's how the Honorable Chief Minister is insisting us to move to the villages and to tell the people that opportunities are there. You got to take this opportunity so that the local economy also thrives.
MeghalayaPost.news